If you love Jesus and you're not afraid to show it, comment Amen and send this to 2 people you care about. Let's light up the world for Him. Him! Dear Jesus, thanks for never giving up on me, even when I mess up. I know you've got big plans for my life, and I want to follow you with all my heart. Help me stay strong when things get tough, and remind me that I'm never alone. You're my hope, my joy, and my forever friend. Cover me and my loved ones with your love and protection. Fill us with boldness to live for you, even when the world tries to pull us away. Let your light shine through us so others see you in everything we do. You're the best, Jesus. In your awesome name, Amen.